It's me, Mikey Pipes. Just got an emergency service call come in. It's not really an emergency, but his air conditioning is tripping the outdoor AC breaker, and they're going away on vacation, so it's around the corner from the house. Let's go over there and see what's going on. I already moved the top cover, checked my control wiring to the compressor. Everything's intact, and checked for shorts to ground. The red, the black, and the yellow. This is the hermetically sealed terminal. This is T1, T2, giving the compressor 240 volts. If I apply power to it, you're going to see we have a locked rotors. Check this out. Disconnect is back in, and for a brief second, I'm going to push down on my contactor, and you will see my amperage. Now, I already hooked up a hard start, so this is all uncut and raw. Let's see what happens. And it starts. It was a locked rotor. We're gonna pull the disconnect and install that hard start. Secure the relay and the hard start with some band iron, sheet metal screws. Take some zip ties, put this all together, restart. Okay, we're just waiting now for the thermostat to call. There's the compressor, condenser fan motor, and she's running. There you go, locked rotor. Don't condemn the compressor. Try a hard start. So next time you have a hard starting compressor that's blowing breakers shortly after pushing in that contactor, don't condemn the compressor. Try a hard start first. Mikey Pipes tip of the day.